Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how we can download and install Zoom for your laptop and for your mobile phone. So we'll start with the laptop. In order to download, go to zoom.us/download. That's zoom.us/download. Alternatively, you can always go and Google for Zoom. Go ahead and Zoom, and then you will see Zoom video conferencing. Click download, and you arrive at the same place. When you see that you want to download Zoom clients for meetings, go ahead and click download. All right, and then we'll wait for this download to finish. It's a very small file. All right, there we go. Once the installer is downloaded, in your own browser, you can just go ahead and click the installer, and the installer should start. It's a very small program. Once it's done, you should see this window. Now, this window means that Zoom is installed and you can now join meetings. So, if you would like, you can always go ahead and sign in and create a new account for yourself, but that is not necessary. All you need is this program to be installed, and when someone sends you a Zoom link, you can click on it, and then your browser should redirect you directly here. So when someone sends me a Zoom meeting invite link, it will look much like this one. It's always HTTPS and then some zoom.us and then some other gibberish. What you don't have to worry about this, just go ahead and either tap on the link in your WhatsApp, in your Telegram, on your computer, or you can go ahead and copy that link and paste it into a browser like what I'm doing now. I'll paste it into Google Chrome, and just hit enter. What would happen is that Chrome would actually detect that you have Zoom installed, and it will ask you, would you like to open this meeting? Open Zoom meeting. You just go ahead and click open Zoom meetings, and this will immediately join you into the call. So it's usually at this point that they will prompt you and ask you if you like to join the call with video. If you would not like to, you can always go ahead and click no, but I have set my computer to default to join by video. And there we go. You can also make sure that you click join with computer audio. And just for troubleshooting's sake, you can see that my mic is moving. In case if you see that these two are not, you can always go ahead to here and make sure that you have a mic, a speaker selected, and especially a camera selected if you need video and audio. In order to download Zoom on your device, go to your Play Store and search for Zoom. So that's ZOOM, and you should see Zoom Cloud Meetings. Go ahead and click install. And when it's installed, then you can go ahead and tap open. You should be able to find this app also on your home screen, and just turn on Zoom, and there it is. Now you have Zoom installed on your device. When someone sends you an invite link from Zoom, you can just go ahead and tap on it from any messenger, and it should link directly to this app on your phone. To install Zoom on your iPhone, all you gotta do is go to the Apple App Store, shown here, and then on the bottom right hand corner, search for Zoom. So Zoom Cloud Meetings is what we want to go for. So go ahead and tap install, wait for it to download, and when it's done, just tap open, and here it is. Your Zoom meeting is installed on your phone.